Bata pa lamang kami ni Bongbong. Alam na ng buong pamilya ang problema sa kanya. Sa totoo lang, mababasa naman ng lahat ang mga testimonya ng aking ama patungkol sa kanyang ugali at gawain. Noon, dahil may tatay pa kami, hindi ko pa siya responsibilidad. Noong tumatanda, ay mas naging nakakabahala. Pati ko na nagda-drug siya.
Damn if I do, damned if I don't. You know I got a girl back home. You got a man, what you want? What you want? What these bitches want from a nigga? On some DMX shit. I know them other niggas love tricking. On some BMX shit, but not me. Now I'm sure you done heard about me. Black Star, Mos Def, Kweli. Good, so them bad hoes try me. They try me. This is Martin Luther King in the club, getting dubs. With a bad bitch in his hand and she down for whatever. In the back of his mind is Coretta. And she knows.
Sa ibang
She
bansa,
knows. And I know she
kami-kami lang.
knows. And I know she knows.
Kinumbinsi ko
Deep
ba
down she
si
knows.
Bongbong? Pakasalan mo na si
And I
Lisa.
know she knows. And I
Naisip
know
ko
she
nun,
knows.
kapag nag-asawa siya, malalagay na sa tahimik at magkakaroon ng
Can't get
direksyon.
what you want from me, well alright.
Ang laki ng pagkakamali ko. Mas lumala ang
Can't get
kanyang
what you want from me, well
paglulong.
alright. Damn if I do.
Pagkalulong sa droga.
Damn if I don't. I'm passing up on bad hoes. Trying to be the man that she want. What she want? What she want from a nigga? Put a ring on it. Got a bitch on my dick right now. And she just wanna sing.